These are green walls. Every wall requires custom design, permits from city inspectors, thousands of dollars of components, a crew to install, and the walls require maintenance throughout the years. This is an improvised green wall. Google the term green walls to save energy. Many companies offer very complex, very expensive systems of living plants installed on walls to cut energy expense. The companies claim energy savings on air conditioning of 20 to 30%. The green wall companies claim energy savings will repay the cost of installation. However, what if a Los Angeles family cannot pay the thousands of dollars to stop the late afternoon sun from scorching the southwest walls of their home? I improvise this green wall with salvaged chain link and scrap pipes. These are salvaged pipes and rebar. Stainless steel clamps secure the assembly. I paid 50 cents for the clamps. Here are new passion flower vines. All the vines came from seeds I found in the Los Angeles alley. I bought this pipe and 3 others, $20 a pipe. I was impatient. I wanted to get the green wall up in the summer. I paid 80 cents for these stainless steel clamps. $20 pipe reinforced with scrap pipe. This is another variety of passion flowers. In months, flowering vines will cover the entire fence, 10 feet high and 60 feet long, all for less than $200 total. If this green wall shadowed the southwest wall of a Los Angeles home, the wall would pay for itself in one summer of energy savings. Do I sound angry? I am. This project violates city codes. I may be forced to defend myself and this project in court.